program is a wonderful program. We have to make it a wonderful program. A spell bee competition not only improve your spelling error, it improves your word vocabulary, it improves your pronunciation, your fluency, the way of speaking, and overall it develops your personality. So you can say it's an overall personality development course. Children, it's very important in this scenario that if you are not aware about the right pictures with the current scenario, if you are not connecting, so definitely you are not going to achieve the target. And children, it's very important that you have to achieve your target. In this scenario, you have to know so many languages. And yes, English language is one of them. When you are having the commercial contact, either in business or education sector, that is very important that you all are aware about the English language. That's why we are organizing this spell bee competition to improve your word power. Because always you have faced that whenever you are speaking, you don't have the word vocabulary. You cannot speak the fluent English. The problem is that you don't have the word power, you don't have the fluency, and how to present yourself, you have no idea. So improve the system, we have organized this program. So a big round of applause for all the children. Spell bee competition is going to run. Right now we have all 12 contestants and the team 16 with us. Just I am going to introduce all the contestants one by one. In my team A, Akash, yes, Om and Ashif. In team B, Arif and Anurag. In team C, Ripunjay and Vikas. Yes, they are great scholars. Yes, we have also, because we have given the equal possibility to all. We are running a co-educational institution. So we are giving equal priority to all boys and girls. There's no any discrimination on the various ground. It's your achievement, it's your potential that what you grab the caliber. We have Shreya and Shoni. In the second, we have Neha and Shivani, and in team D, Anshika and Gauri. A big round of applause for all the contestants. So children, spell bee not only improves your spelling error, it improves your fluency, it improves your communication, it improves your overall personality development. So after 10th what we are doing, then today we are organized to improve your all-round development course. Let us start with this team A. Yes, children, what you are feeling this? Tell me. Take the mic. You all are have my mic. Where is the mic? Mic. Done. Yes, give the mic, and this also. Give the mic. Okay, so let's start with team A. Are you feeling confident? Tell me something. What is your feeling to participate in this spell bee competition? Check it. Yes.
We were very excited.
Excited? Yes. So that is called the flabbergasted. Okay? Let's start this round. A big round of applause for all the children. The first question from the team A. Yes, the first question from team A is glutton. The word is glutton. The first word is glutton, one who eats a lot. And during this program, if you have problem, then you can ask the meaning of the word. Glutton, the meaning is one who eats a lot. What is the spelling of the glutton?
It spells G-L-U-T-T-E-N.
No, it's wrong. G-L-U-T-T-O-N. Okay, this is wrong. The next question, the next word is ambassador. 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 Yes, time has limited.
It spells A-M-B-A-I-S-S-D-O-R.
Repeat it.
A-M-B-A-I-S-S-D-O-R.
No, it's wrong also. A-M-B-A-S-S-D-O-R. Ambassador who represents to the country in other country. The next one is clumsy. Clumsy, an action awkward in movement or manner. Clumsy. Clumsy is an action awkward in movement or manner. Clumsy.
Sir, it spells C-L-U-M-S-Y.
Yes, this is the correct answer. Big round of applause for this. Yes, this is the right answer. Clumsy is an action awkward in movement or manner. Okay. Right now outside this. The next one is, the next word is astronaut. Astronaut. As the 5 will finish, you have to indicate me. Astronaut.
Its spelling A-S-T-R-O-U-N-A.
Astronaut. Yes. Repeat.
Sir, it spells A-S-T-R-O-N-A-U-T.
Yes, Sanjay sir, outside seats are available. Let them see the program. Yes, children, you can sit there. You can see the program. Astronaut, you spell it better. Yes, spell.
It spells A-S-T-R-O-N-A-U-T.
Correct. A person who is trained to travel on a spacecraft. That is the right answer. Big round of applause for it. Astronaut. Good. And right now the next question is invincible. Invincible, that which cannot be conquered. The person who cannot be conquered is called the invincible. This is the 5th question.
I-N-V-E-N-S-I-B-L-E.
No, it's wrong. I-N-V-I-N-C-I-B-L-E. The right spelling is this. So right now 5 you have completed. Let's start with children. Just I'm telling you the rubrics of the game. For the first round, when you are entering this competition, then the first round, the basis of the marks you will be allotted for the second round. If you are getting the same marks, then elimination round will be formulated. And the first round I will ask the 5 words to each contestant from each team. And if you are able to answer, then on the basis of the performance you will go for the second round. And if you are getting the same score, then the elimination round will be organized for the same rank groups. Okay, right now we have Ashif and Anurag. Let's start with the second round. Okay. Our next team is Locusus. Locusus, one who speaks too much. The meaning of locusus is one who speaks too much. Locusus. It means the person who speaks too much. Over talking. In the common language we can say over talking. More in a forum. Yes, time is increasing. The heartbeats are also increasing. Give the response. Locusus. Spell it.
L-O-C-A-S-S-I-O-U-S.
No, it's wrong. The right spelling is L-O-Q-U-A-C-I-O-U-S. This is the right answer shown on the screen. Locusus. Locusus is one who speaks too much, more in a forum. Your next word is reticent. The word is reticent, one who speaks less in a forum. The word is reticent, one who speaks less in a forum. Just I have asked the person who speaks too much, but right now the next question is one who speaks less in the forum. Reticent, as it pronounced the same spelling. Reticent.
R-E-T-I-C-E-N-T.
Correct answer. A big round of applause for this. Yes. Very good. Captain, if you have guts and potential, definitely the deserving place is waiting for you. Oh, the next is the study of the points. Those who study the points, it is called numismatics. Numismatics. The person who studies the coins, it is called numismatics. Spell it. Numismatics. Yes, children, this is the right forum where you can show your performance. And here is the deserving person on the deserving side. Right now we have all the 12 brilliant contestants. Let's see that how they are going to rock.
Numismetics.
Repeat.
Numismetics.
No, it's Matics. It's wrong. Sorry. The right spelling is Numismatics. Show on the screen. The numismatics is the right answer. When you study about the coins from ancient to the modern coins, then it is called the numismatics. The next one is, as it will become the 5, the pessimist. I hope you are knowing about this word. The pessimist is a person who is inclined to see the worst aspect of the things. The person who thinks about the negative aspect of the life. They are called the pessimist. Yes, what is the spelling? So children, I think that is the right platform for all the children, that if you have real potential, you can perform here. And it's the opposite of optimist. Optimist ka opposite hand is the opposite of pessimist. If you think about the negative direction, yes.
Passimast.
Repeat.
Passimast.
Sorry, Anurag, it's wrong. The right spelling is Pessimist. Pessimist कहते हैं a person who is inclined to see the worst aspect of things. Okay, right now how many? 4. Okay, the next one is edible. Edible, a thing fit to eat. Edible is said to be a thing fit to eat. Edible. The pronunciation is very clear. Edible.
Addible.
Okay. Sorry, Anurag, it's also wrong. It's edible. Edible, a thing fit to eat. Okay, that 5 is over. Okay, right now your round is over. Right now we have the next team. Okay, Vikash and Anurag, tell me that. What do you think? What's your opinion about this? How you are enjoying this game? Tell me something. Tell me something about the game. What is your excitement about this game? Tell something. Yes. Are you feeling confidence? Okay, the next one is, the first word is imposter. Imposter, a person who deceives other by pretending to be someone else. Imposter. Yes, see, the word is imposter, and the meaning is a person who deceives other by pretending to be someone else.
Imposter.
Yes, repeat.
Imposter.
No, it's wrong. Impostor. That is the right answer. Sorry. Okay, the next word is stale. Stale is foul smell will come if the food is not fresh. Okay. This stale is called a foul smell will come if the food is not fresh. Stale. If the food is not fresh, that is called stale. Spell it. Stale. Yes, the heartbeat is increasing. Right now the team members, they are trying to give the answer. The time is limited, so you have to look into the time. Because the time sets the scenario. With a limited time, you have to perform. Stay.
S-T-A-I-N.
Stay. Repeat.
S-T-A-Y.
No, it's wrong. It's S-T-A-L-E. So very simple meaning is S-T-A-L-E. Stay is foul smell will come if the food is not fresh. Don't come in pressure. Children, don't come in pressure. Okay? Give your response without any, okay? Without any problem. The next word is, the next one is orchard. Orchard. Orchard, a place where fruit trees are grown. Orchard, a place where fruit trees are grown.
Orchard.
Correct answer. Big round of applause. Orchard is correct. A place where fruit trees are grown. That is called the orchard. And the next one is key. Okay, very good. Right now the next question is key. The pronunciation is key and the meaning is where ships load or unload. Where ships, you can say the water ship, load or unload, that is called the key. What's the spelling of key? It's not key of ring. It's key where ships load or unload. Here's the team member, they are trying their level the best. But however that word is also very critical. Key. K-E-I. No, it's wrong because this is Q-U-A-Y. Key. Q-U-A-Y, key means where ships load or unload. That is the right answer. Key. The next one is utopia. Utopia is an often imaginary place or state of utter perfection and happiness. That is called utopia. Spell it. Utopia.
U-D-O-P-I-A.
Correct. Yes, a big round of applause. Utopia is the right answer. Yes. Right now the children, they are performing the yes. Okay. The next one is, okay, 5 is over. Right now your questions are over. Right now we have 3 teams members, all the girls, we will get the same privilege to them, Shreya and Shoni. Okay, let's just start with Shreya and Shoni, transfer it. Okay, Shreya and Shoni, consider the first word is cinnamon. Cinnamon from the D. Okay, sorry for that, from the D. It will start from the D. From the team member D is cinnamon. Cinnamon is a type of a spice. ये भी मसाला है. In India, cinnamon is cultivated in the lower regions of the Western Ghats in Kerala. Cinnamon.
C-I-N-N-A-M-O-N.
Correct. Yes, a big round of applause. Cinnamon is a spice in India. It is said in Hindi dalchini. Okay. It is a spice cultivated in the lower regions of the Western Ghats in Kerala and Tamil Nadu. The next one is reveal. The next word is reveal.
R-E-V-E-A-L.
Very fast answers. The rapid round is going on. Yes. R-E-V-E-A-L. Reveal is the magnificent ruins in the Himalayas. Correct answer. Big round of applause. Yes, very good. The next word is Sir Isaac Newton, who was a great scientist. I think that all of you are knowing about the Newton. Yes. The Sir Isaac Newton. I hope this name is very much clear. Yes.
S-I-R-I-S-S-A-C-N-E-W-T-O-N.
Sir Isaac Newton is correct answer. The next one is correct. The next one is Ditty. Ditty होता है according to the Purnas, Devdasis used to perform dance before the Ditty. Ditty is, yes, spell it, Ditty. Ditty. जैसे for example you can say Indra is also Ditty. He is the king of Ditty. Yes, Ditty.
D-E-I-T-Y.
Correct answer. A big round of applause. Yes. Okay. So right now one question for the audience. One question for the audience. Anybody can respond. For the audience is gradually. Anybody? Gradually. Yes. Speak from there. Correct answer. A big round of applause for the audience also. Yes. Right now, how many questions are asked? 4. The last one is pilgrimage. Pilgrimage, Ajmer Sharif, Vrindavan is religious pilgrimage site. Pilgrimage.
P-I-L-G-R-I-M-A-G-E.
Pilgrimage is the right answer. Yes, the deserving person can get the deserving seat. If you have potential, if you have guts, then yes, definitely the seat is waiting for you. The next round is, okay, from the DE, yes? So then tell me that you know the radio was invented by Italian inventor. The name was Marconi. Okay, Guglielmo Marconi. You know the name? Radio was invented by Italian inventor. That name was the Guglielmo Marconi. Only you have to spell Marconi. Marconi. Marconi was invented radio. What was the spelling of Marconi?
Marconi.
Correct answer. Yes, Marconi who invented this. Then after this, the next word is shrubs. Shrubs कहते हैं, the thorny shrubs and shrubs grow in the dry regions. Shrubs are said to be in Hindi झाड़ियाँ. Shrubs. Shrubs.
SHURBS.
The spelling is shrubs. Pronunciation is shrub. The right pronunciation is shrub. Now spell. Shrub. Shrubs. Can I log? Shrubs. Fast.
SHURBS.
No, this is wrong. The right answer is SHRUBS. Shrubs means होता है झाड़ियाँ. Okay, thorny shrubs and shrubs grow in the dry region. The next question is, now the next word is deciduous. The next word is deciduous. The tropical deciduous are the monsoon forest in the large part of India. Deciduous. The right pronunciation is deciduous.
DECIDUOUOES.
Repeat.
DECIDUOES.
No, it's wrong. DECIDUOUS. Deciduous. It's very simple. Okay? Wrong. The next one is reduce. Reduce होता है the thick box, and by reduce means minimize. Means minimize. If you can minimize the things, this is called the reduce.
REDUCE.
The correct answer. A big round of applause. Okay. Now the Mona Lisa. Who painted Mona Lisa? Spell it. Who painted Mona Lisa? The name is Leonardo da Vinci. Leonardo da Vinci painted Mona Lisa. Yes, tell me the name. Spell it. Leonardo da Vinci. Leonardo da Vinci who painted Mona Lisa. Leonardo da Vinci, a scientist and an engineer who invented the helicopter and battle tank, and he was also a great artist, creative art writer. Leonardo da Vinci who made Mona Lisa, who painted Mona Lisa. Spell it. Fast, time is very limited.
LIEUNARDOTHEVINCY.
No, I'm coming to the audience. In audience, anybody? Mic, mic audience के लिए. Anybody is having fun? Yes. What is the spelling? Tell me. Yes, it's repeated. Correct answer. The credit goes to the audience. Yes, children, it doesn't matter about that you are on the podium or you are in the audience. The matter is that what is the learning spirit for you? If you have a learning spirit, the both sides is for you. First, you get the audience seat, then next you will come to the podium. So wherever are you, the main purpose is that learning. If you are a great learner, you can learn from the back seat also. Doesn't matter whether the front seat or not. Okay, the next is, this is the wrong answer. The next is, done. The 5 we have completed. I have next, Yup team. We have Shreya and Sony. Let's start with Shreya and Sony. The first is assets. Assets क्या है? The something of value that a person, company, etc. जैसे for example, the institution is asset for me. Okay? The learning is asset for you. The knowledge is asset for overall the world. Asset.
A-double-S-E-T.
Correct answer. A big round of applause. Assets. This is correct. The next one is scorching. Scorching is said to be very hot. Scorching is very hot. Scorching.
S-C-O-R-C-H-I-N-G.
This is also the correct answer. A big round of applause. Scorching. Very hot. Very hot. That is called, this is adjective, scorching. Okay, right now we are playing with Shreya and Sony. Yes, they are brilliant scholars and class 10 children. The next one is explicate. Explicate is to explain an idea, theory, etc. Explicate. The right pronunciation is explicate. Yes.
E-X-P-L-I-C-A-T.
Correct. This is the correct answer. Yes. A big round of applause. Children, encourage the children, those who are on the podium. Explicate means to explain an idea, theory, etc. Okay. The next one is commitment. The next word is commitment. When you commit to do something, it becomes commitment. Mahatma Gandhi was always his commitment against British rule. Spell it, commitment.
C-O-M-M-I-T-M-E-N-T.
Correct answer. A big round of applause for commitment. Yes. Right now, the next word. Yes, Shreya, you are feeling confident? Tell me something about this spelling competition. Tell something.
Sir, as a being a student, I am enjoying this competition and it helps my vocabulary power as well as it will also help me to speaking English fluently.
Yes, that's right. I am agree with Shreya. Yes, not only it improves your spelling error, it improves your word vocabulary and it improves your the fluency also when you are speaking to others. The right answer you have given. The next one is excellence. Excellence. Some of the schemes run by the government show excellence priority. Excellence.
E-X-C-E-L-L-E-N-C-E.
Correct. Yes, the right answer you have given. Excellence is correct. Okay, done. Is over. Right now, all the participants they have completed. Right now, this is the time. See, so one question for the audience. One question for the audience. Impeccable. Impeccable means innocent. Yes, impeccable. The same person again. Anyone? Anyone else? Yes. Wait. Let me ask. Impeccable. Neeraj sir, mic is there. Impeccable. Right now, the audience are connected to us, so don't worry at all. If you have answer, then we have question for you also. Impeccable.
Spell I-M-P-E-C-C-A-B-L.
Correct answer. A big round of applause. The credit goes to the audience. Audience are connected to us. Yes, we all are enjoying. Either we are on the podium or in the audience seat. So both are enjoying here. Yes, that is right. Right now, we have the score, please, ma'am. Yes, the heartbeat is increasing. I have the score list. Let's see that who is going to eliminate. This is the elimination round. The person who is having the potential, he will go for the next round. Those who are not having, they will be eliminated here. The team A, 2 point, team B 1 point, team C 2 point, team D 5, team E 2, and team F the highest point. A big round of applause for the team F. A big round of applause. Team F, Shreya and Shoni, the highest point they have achieved. Okay, for the B it is the elimination round. Thank you very much for playing with us. For play, this is the elimination round. Thank you very much. Children, right now A and A, C and D, they have got the same score. This is the elimination round. A, C and E. Right now, I'll ask the three questions from each team and let's see that who is going to eliminate. Yes? Heartbeat is increasing? Yes? You want to stay? So then you have to give the answer. The first answer is, okay, the first question, the first word is favorite. Favorite, I think that is a very common word. Generally we use in our daily routine. Favorite. Mike is there. Favorite. Dhoti, Mike. Okay. Favorite.
So, Favorite.
Correct. Favorite, the correct answer. Well. Okay, big round of applause. The next one is scholarship. Scholarship.
So, SCHOLARSHIP.
Correct answer. Scholarship is also correct. The next one is a scholarship is the correct answer. The next one is Thiruvananthapuram. Spell it. Thiruvananthapuram. Spell.
So, TRIVANTRAMPURAM.
Repeat it.
TRIVANTRAMPURAM.
No, it's wrong. The right answer is yes. In the audience, anybody will speak? Audience, go mic there. Give the mic to the audience. Who will speak? Thiruvananthapuram is the name of the city. Thiruvananthapuram. Anybody? Mic there. Yes, Sonakshi. Tell me the spell. Thiruvananthapuram.
THIRUVANANTHUPURAM.
Repeat.
THIRUVANANTHUPURAM.
Correct. Okay, this is correct answer. Big round of applause for Thiruvananthapuram. Yes, it's the right answer. Okay, the next one is, okay, 3 questions I have asked right now from team B. From team B, appreciation. Francie. From team C, appreciation. Appreciation. From team C, appreciation.
APPRECIATION.
Correct. Appreciation is correct. The second one is execution. Execution. Execution means to follow. If you execute the performance.
EXECUTE.
Repeat, execution. Execution.
EXECUTI.
Correct. Execution is correct. The next one is exceptional. Exceptional. Exceptional means hota hai, this is the controversy. Exceptional. Exceptional, you will only be allowed to leave only as an exceptional case. Exceptional.
EXEPTIONA.
Repeat.
EXEPTIONA.
No, Vikas, it's wrong. The right answer is EXCEPTIONAL. Exceptional. Okay? Right now, two, and one more, Shivani. Let's start with Shivani. Okay, Shivani, the first word is ingenious. Ingenious is simple, easy. Yes, ingenious. Ingenious. Spell it. Ingenious. Right now the heartbeat is increasing. Let's see that who is going to win the game. Ingenious.
ENGINEUOS.
Repeat.
ENGIN.
No, it's wrong. That the right answer is INGENIOUS. Ingenious. And the next one is incredible. 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 Incredible means impossible or very difficult to believe. As a, for example, you can use the statement, India is incredible country. So right now, the team E is trying to give the answer, incredible.
Save time creating content in general and including your voice with 11 dials.
Incredible. India is incredible country.
Voiceovers.
Let's see that who is going to win. Incredible. Fast.
INCRIDULE.
No. Repeat.
INCIRDU.
No, it's wrong. INCREDIBLE. Incredible. It's wrong. And the third one is specifically. In a special case. Specifically. Particularly. The meaning is particularly, specifically.
ESPECIFICALLY.
No, it is specifically. SPECIFICALLY. Specifically is wrong also. The right spelling is SPECIFICALLY. Right now, man, what is the score? The score is 2-2 and 0. Okay? 2-2. Team A has got 2, C 2, E. E is the elimination round you have to face. A big round of applause for Shivani and Shoni. Okay? A big round of applause for her. Right now we have team A and C. Let us see. Okay? So right now you are performing. The next one is the first. Okay, again I am going to ask you 3 questions. The first is latest. Very recent. The meaning is very recent. We must take cognizance of the latest development events. Latest.
LATEST.
Correct. The next one is curriculum. Curriculum, the contents of a particular course of a study. That is called the curriculum.
CURRICULUM.
Correct. And the third one is necessary. Necessary.
NECCESSARY.
Repeat.
NECCESSARY.
No, it's wrong. It is NECSSARY. Necessary. Okay. One more I am asking you. Lieutenant. Lieutenant.
LIEUTENANT.
Correct. Right now from this team, we have Vikas and Dipunjay. Let's see. Yes, Vikas. Colonel. Spell it. Colonel. Colonel is an officer of a high level in the army. Colonel.
COLONEL.
Correct. The next one is challenge. Challenge. The next word is challenge. We should not shy away from facing challenges in our life. Challenge. CHALLALLANG. It's wrong. CHALLENG. Challenge. The next one is cholera. Cholera is usually caused by the bacteria. Cholera is a disease. Cholera is spread over the country.
CHLOERA.
Repeat.
CHLOERA.
No, because it's not CHOLERA. Cholera. And one more. And four. The four of a symptom. The symptom is what are the indication? The worst symptom of the flu is the shortness of breath and chest tightness.
SYMPTOM.
Correct. Right now, man, score. Tell me. Team A 3 and team C2. Right now, the team A is the winner. Elimination round, you have to pay. A big round of applause for team C. Okay, right now we have team A, team D, and team F. On the basis of his score, the elimination round is going on. Right now, again, the word will be executed. The next is 5. Okay, right now D and F, they are having the same marks, same 5. So that one D and F we will eliminate. Okay, and after this it will be organized. Let's start. D, ready? So let's start the game. The entrepreneur of a country have contributed to the GDP. A person who makes money by business, they're said to be entrepreneur. Yes, the right pronunciation is entrepreneur.
ENTREPRENEUR.
Correct. Entrepreneur is correct. The next one is siblings.
SIBLINGS.
Correct. And the third one is adolescence. Adolescence is a transitional period between childhood and adulthood. All the children listen, the meaning of the adolescence is, this is the transitional period between childhood and adulthood. Please.
ADOLSCENCE.
Repeat.
ADOLESCENCE.
Correct answer. Big round of applause for this. Children, yes. That is the struggling and effort is going on. And the fourth one is embarrassing. Spell it, embarrassing. Embarrassing, making you feel uncomfortable or shy. Embarrassing means making you feel uncomfortable or shy.
EMBARRASSING.
Correct answer. Yeah, big round of applause. Right now from Shreya and Sony. Let's see that how they are going to show. Yes, Shreya. Right now tell me diarrhea. Diarrhea is a disease. Children, diarrhea is a disease. What is the right spelling of diarrhea? Diarrhea is usually caused by virus or something contaminated food.
DIARRHOEA.
Diarrhea. Yes, this is the correct answer. A big round of applause. So for the kind information I want to tell you, actually in diarrhea, there are two types of spellings. One is British accent and the second is American English. So when you are talking about the British English, that is diarrhea is DIARRHEA. And when we are talking about the American English, then diarrhea is DIARRHOEA. So children, it is very important that What is the right choice? Both are acceptable. Either this or that. American and British accent, both are acceptable. So right now the next one is, okay, how many I have asked? One. The next one is diagnosis. Diagnosis is a process of identifying disease symptoms. Diagnosis is a process of identifying disease symptoms. Diagnosis.
DIGONOSIS.
Can you repeat?
DIGON.
Diagnosis. Wow, is increasing. You have
DIGANOSIS.
D-I-G-A-N-O. This is wrong. The right spelling is D-I-A-G-N-O-S-I-S. Yes, this is the right spelling is wrong. Okay. The next one is scenery. Scenery refers to the appearance of a place, especially when it is beautiful and outdoors also. Scenery.
SCENERY.
Correct. Scenery is correct. And the third one is scenario. Scenario, a description of what happens in a play or film. That is called the scenario.
SCENARE.
Repeat. Scenario.
SCENARIO.
Correct. Scenario is the correct answer. Yes. 3. कितने हो गए? 4. Now right now see the score. What is the score? Let's see. Okay, team D 4 points and team F 3 points. Right, this is the right now elimination round. A big round of applause for team F. Okay, right now team D is in the top 3 of A or D. Right now the elimination round between A and D. Let us start with the. Yes, right now the heartbeat is increasing. We have 2 teams. Let's see that who will go in the final. Okay. So next is the next word is from team A. Synchronize. The word is synchronize, to make something happen or work at the same time or speed. Synchronize. Synchronize, to make something happen or work at the same time or speed. Synchronize.
Sir, SYNCHOROHIZ.
No, it's wrong answer. The right answer is SYNCHORONIZD. NIZD US है and अगर UK में है SYNCHRONISC. Both are correct. But your answer is wrong. This is the wrong. The next one is laser. Laser time. Laser. What is the spelling of laser? Free time or respite on the whole people. Laser. Yes, the audience, connect with us. Laser.
LEASURE.
Repeat.
LEASURE.
LEASURE. No, it's wrong. The right spelling is LEISURE. Laser, free time or respite, the whole people miss the opportunity to enjoy laser. Is it clear? Okay. The next one is, how many questions I have asked? 2. Okay. The next one is constrain. Constrain होता है obligate, बाध्य करना. Constrain is compel, coerce. Constrain. Constrain, to limit somebody, to force somebody. But if you are making the criteria for any person, that is called the constraint. So children, connect with us. Yes.
CONSTRAIN.
Correct. Constraint is correct. How many I have? You have 3. One more I am going to ask you. Hazard. Hazard is called the random, unplanned. Hazard. Hazard is called random or unplanned. Spell it. Hazard. Hazard. Hazard.
HABSERDE.
Hazard. Spell.
HABSERDE.
Hazard. Hazard. Clear. HA. Please clear it.
HABHASERED.
SCID.
ERDE.
No, it's wrong. The right spelling is HAPHAZARD. Hazard होता है random, unplanned. Registration does seem hazard. Wrong. Okay, 4. Up from 4 this side. Okay. Are you ready for the questions? Let's start. Then heartbeat is increasing. See what's going on. The first word is irrigation. The first word is irrigation. Irrigation होता है artificial application of water to land. That is called the irrigation. To see scene of the drip irrigation for crops.
IRRIGATION.
Correct. A big round of applause. Irrigation is the right answer. Is given. The next one is mitochondria. The next one is mitochondria. Mitochondria, I think, powerhouse of the cell. All the students are knowing about the mitochondria. This is called the powerhouse of the cell. Okay? We can put light here. Powerhouse.
MITOCHONDRIA.
Repeat.
MITOCHONDRIA.
Correct. Mitochondria is correct. This is called the powerhouse of the cell. The next one is hypotenuse. Hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is the longest side of the right angle triangle. Right now, people face problem to spell it. Hypotenuse.
HYPOTENUSE.
Correct. Yes, hypotenuse is also correct. And the last one is seize. Seize होता है to grab something. In order to seize some of his properties, also given.
SEIZE.
Correct answer. Yes, this is the right answer. Okay, this number class हो गया 4. Let me go. Let's go. A1 D4. This is the elimination round. A big round of applause for team A. So right now we have the winner team is, yes beta, come here. Winner team is team D. दोनों symbol बनाओ sir. Yes, victory symbol. Yes, this is the winner team. A big round of applause. Yes, when you face the challenges and you win the game, this is the guts and the potential of your knowledge and wisdom what you are implementing. Right now, this is the finale round between both. Yes, go and sit. Take her. Yes. दोनों दो साइड है. दो साइड. Yes. To this side. ठीक है. Okay. Okay. Right now, this is the finale round. On which soldier the whole team was running? Yes. Right now, I think that audience wants to know in both who was the running the show. So let's see. Okay, are you ready? This is the finale round. Who is going to the top first? Yes, heartbeat is increasing. Okay. The first one is from team D is scavenger. Scavenger means feed on dead and decaying matter. Scavenger is, the meaning is feed on dead and decaying matter. He has lived like this for 5 decades, making his living as a scavenger. Spell it, scavenger. Is it clear to you? Meaning is clear? Okay, there. Scavenger. Spell.
SCAVENGURE.
Sorry, it's wrong. The right answer is SCAVENGER. Scavenger. Scavenger is feed on dead and decaying matter. The next one is coefficient. I hope all of you are knowing about the coefficient, algebraic coefficient. And the word coefficient, spell it.
COEFFICIENT.
Correct. Coefficient is correct. The next one is phenomena. Phenomena, event occur in nature or society, the natural phenomena. And this is very used to word phenomena.
PHENOMENA.
Correct. Phenomena is correct. One more I am going to ask you. Resilience. Resilience, the ability to adapt well in adversity. Resilience. Resilience is said to be the ability to adapt well in adversity. Matlab it means that you can handle the worst situation. That is called the resilience.
RESILIANCE.
No, it's wrong. The right spelling is RESILIENC. Resilient. Okay, 4 is done. Now write down from team E. Yes, what's the good name?
Anshika.
Anshika. Okay, the left Anshika. How are you feeling first of all? Tell me. Because earlier she was your partner. Okay. So let's see that who is your neighbor. The first word is neighbor. Neighbor means he lodged a complaint against his neighbor who lives near about your home is called neighbor.
NEIGHBOUR.
Correct. Neighbor is correct answer. The next one is horizontal. Horizontal.
HORIZONTAL.
Yeah, repeat.
HORIZONTAL.
Correct. Horizontal means flat. Horizontal is correct. The next one is horizontal. The next one is tympanum. Tympanum is called the eardrum. Tympanum. Tympanum is called the eardrum. Tympanum. Tympanum is called eardrum. Kaan ka parda, it is said to be in Hindi. Tympanum. Yes. Tympanum.
TIMPENAM.
No, it's wrong. The right answer is TYMPANUM. Tympanum is called the eardrum. And the next one is whistling. Whistling hota hai to make a musical or high sound. Whistling. In Hindi it is said to be CT bajana. Okay? Whistling.
WRESTLING.
Whistling. Repeat.
WRESTLING.
WR. R for rat.
Yes.
This is wrong. WHISTLING. Whistling. Whistling hota hai CT bajana. The same point they have got. Again the score is same. कितना score है? हाँ? Yes, both have got the same score. Again I will ask them. And this is the pass. I will ask one word. If you will not respond, then it will pass to you. Okay? The word is from D. Encyclopedia. The word encyclopedia set of books that gives information about many subjects. Our life sciences specimen make up an encyclopedia of the natural world. Encyclopedia. Spell it. Encyclopedia. Encyclopedia is a set of books that gives information about many subjects. Encyclopedia. Yes. Are you ready? Start.
ENCYCLOPEDIA.
Yes, this is the correct answer. A big round of applause. All the children. कहते हैं कि when you are in the last phase, you are in the winning age, then the heartbeat increase. You feel pressure. And right now she has converted pressure into pleasure. So let's see that. The next one is banquet. Banquet. a formal dinner for a large number of people, that is called the banquet hall. The banquet is spelled banquet. Have you listened to this word? Banquet is spelled
B-U-N-K-E-T.
no, it's wrong. Right now pass. Banquet. You tell. Banquet. Pass. Yes.
B-E-N-Q-U-E-T.
Repeat.
B-E-N-Q-U-E-T.
No, it's also wrong. Not B-E-N. It's B-A-N-Q-U-E-T. Both have done correct. Incorrect. Okay. The next one is, give to them. Calamity. Calamity. The next word is calamity. कहते हैं terrible event. Calamity. When you face the odd circumstances in your life, that is called the calamity. Adversity. Spell it. Calamity. The calamity. Fast. The time is very limited. So children, calamity. Calamity.
C-A-L-A-M-I-T-Y.
Correct. Calamity is correct. Okay. The next one is the longest word of the dictionary. I am going to ask the finale now. The longest word of the dictionary is pneumono-ultramicroscopic silicovolcanoconiosis. The meaning is a lung disease caused by the fine particles of the volcano. The longest word of the dictionary is pneumono-ultramicroscopic silicovolcanoconiosis. The meaning is that the lung disease which is caused by the fine particles of the volcano. Yes, it starts from Team D. Spell it. Yes, this word has been made from the 45 letters, and the meaning of this pneumono-ultramicroscopic silicovolcanoconiosis is it's a lung disease caused by the fine particles of the volcano. Okay, right now we have Team D and E. They are fighting. They have the fighting spirit and guts. Let's see that who is going to win. Yes, if you want to win the game, then you have to struggle. You have to show your confidence and guts to win the game. Yes, sir. Okay, I'm coming on the hot seat. Okay, tell. Tell. Start. Speak loudly. All right. Chal, Yashit, देखिए. Pneumono-ultramicroscopic silicovolcanoconiosis. Yes, speak.
P-N-E-U-M-O-N-O-U-L-T-R-A-F-I-L-C-O-P-I-C-F-I-N-C-A-N-O-S-I-S.
Okay, is it right? Repeat once again. Repeat. No, it's wrong. Sorry. Two things you have missed. Pass. Right now from TV. Yes.
P-N-E-U-M-O-N-O-U-L-T-R-A-M-I-C-R-O-S-C-O-P-I-C-S-I-L-I-C-O-V-O-L-C-A-N-O-C-O-N-I-O-S-I-S.
Correct answer. A big round of applause. Yes. This is called the pneumono-ultramicroscopic silicovolcanoconiosis. This is a 45-letter word. The meaning of this word is a lung disease which is caused by the fine particles of the volcano. Okay, right now, okay, how many questions I have asked? 4? And she has given 3. Okay, one more question I'm going to ask. Millennium. Millennium from D. Millennium. If she will pass, then it will come to this. See, millennium. Millennium is the 1,000 years are 1,000 years. Millennium. This is the millennium year. Millennium. Millennium. Fast.
MILLENIUM.
Repeat. Double L, double L बोल रहा है सर. You see. Yeah.
MILLENIUM.
Pass. Speak.
MILLANIUM.
Double L you use.
MILLANIUM.
No, it's wrong. The right spelling is MILLENNIUM. Millennium is 1,000 years. And yes, really they are. The next word is disguise. Disguise means impersonate. She disguised herself like means the glasses. Disguise to deceive someone by changing your dress, your getup. Disguise. Spell it. Disguise. I think that's a very, they are having the fighting spirit, okay? And I think that both are the best contestant. That's why the fighting spirit is enough. Yes, children, disguise.
DESGUISE.
No, wrong. Next, pass. Disguise.
DISGUISH.
Repeat.
DISGUISH.
SH. This is also wrong. DISGUISE. Disguise hota hai, impersonate, to deceive someone. No, this is not correct. The next one is again. The next one is fascinate. The next one is fascinate. The fascinate is to attract someone. Fascinate. Fascinate means hota hai to attract someone. He is fascinating. I sat on the stage and was fascinated. Fascinate. Yes, speak. Fascinate.
FASSINATE.
Pass.
FASCINATE.
Correct. Fascinate is the correct answer you have given to attract someone. Right now, ma'am, tell me, what is the score? Same score. Again, they are having the same score. Okay. Journalist. The next one is journalist. Journalist. I hope all of you are knowing the fourth pillar of the Constitution. They are said to be journalists. They raise the issues against the government. If government is not performing well, the journalists, they are having guts to raise the issues against the problems of masses. Journalist. Right now, see that who is going to win this game. Journalist.
JOURNLIST.
Repeat.
JOURNLIST.
Journ
List.
NLIST. Okay, you tell.
Journalist.
Both are incorrect. Journelist. Journalist. Okay. The next one is ritualistic. Ritualistic is correct. The ritualistic कहते हैं कर्मकांड. Yes, ritual से बना है ritualistic. The word has been made from ritual. Ritualistic. Spell it. Ritualistic.
Ritualistic.
Correct. Ritualistic is correct. Okay, you take the new word I'm asking you. Feasible. Feasible is practical. The word is feasible. The meaning is practical.
Feasible.
Correct. Both are correct. A big round of applause for both. That's good. Fighting is straightforward. The next one is the next one is stampede. Stampede means होता है भगदड़. Yes, it has been made from the stamp. Stampede. Stampede. The word is stampede. Spell it. Stampede. A situation in which large number of people are running. That is called the stampede. A large number of people are running. That is called stampede. Spell it. Stampede.
Stampede.
Pass. Stampede.
Stampede.
Repeat.
Stampede.
Stampede. Duh. It's duh. Correct. That is the right answer. Stampede. Stampede is that it's running. Bhagdad. Okay. When people are running, that is right. Okay. Right now, tell me the score, man. Come on the front, everybody. Yes, Elaine, actually both are the winners. They have given the right spirit. No drop. Yes, winning is. In the finale round, both have done the fighting spirit. And right now, we have the winner. Anshika is the winner of this finale round. And the second winner is Gauri. Both are having the spirit. And they have given a wonderful performance. So both are winner for us. Thank you very much. Anshika first and Gauri is second. Thank you very much, children. A big round of applause for them. The next one.